अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत आसान सा मीट रोस्ट। ये चावल की रोटी के साथ, घी राइस के साथ और एज एन एकम्पनीमेंट विथ एनी अदर डिश बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। तो शुरू करते हैं। मीट को पहले बॉईल करना है थोड़े से मसाले डाल के। तो आई हैव टेकन 1 kg ऑफ मीट। इसमें ऐड 1 टीस्पून पेपर पाउडर, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste। इसमें 1 glass पानी ऐड करके pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles। After 4 to 5 whistles, let the pressure cooker cool down on its own, open and dry up the masala. Let there be a little bit of moisture in the meat. Cover and keep aside. Now heat a kadai. Once the kadai is hot, add a ladle of coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil as well. When the oil becomes hot, add half a kg of onions sliced along with a handful of curry leaves. Saute and fry till the onions turn golden brown. The onions are almost done. Another 2 minutes. We have added all the spice powders including the salt to the meat, so we will not be adding any kind of spice powders to the onions here. Once the onions are nicely done, add the cooked meat and saute on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. The meat is nicely fried and soft. Now let's add sliced fresh coconut pieces. Mix well and switch off the flame. Meat roast is now ready. Goes very well with rice flour chapatis, ari patri ya pashti jo bolte hain usko, and very well with paratha or as an accompaniment to any other gravy. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.